The servants here would ask to go and share. And having shared that, the servant, the law says that you should take whatever thing you receive, take it to your master at the top for blessing. And that what qualifies you to be living upstairs. Because you're a servant, the servant stays there downstairs. So, but then what happened? You have to think how to make sure they settle them. So, one other thing is, how do we get what they're going to settle them with? So, now, the first way, we have three major questions you answer. You ask yourself, you answer the question. Sometimes we have the fourth one. Number one question, how do we know? What you call it the LCM. LCM is the lowest common multiple, but that is an English language. I won't bring that matter here. I won't bring it here. But I will tell you in a simpler language. We are looking for what we are going to give to these people. That these people here will share it without remainder. If we pack the same quantity, bring it to these people, they will also share it without remainder. That is what called LCM. So the L there means the lowest. There are many other ones that could share without remainder, but the lowest. So that is the meaning of lowest common multiple. That is English language. I don't understand English. So let's look at this. Let's continue. So now the story I was telling you. These are the masters at the top. They have servants. This person has servants. I have 4 to 4 here. This one has servants here. So these are the power of the masters. So masters, they stay at the top of that very building. But then what happened? We want to check, how do we know what we're going to give to them, which is called the LCM. Now, how to check? You got to ask yourself 3 or 4 questions, major. Number one, these 2 servants, are they the same? You must check the question. Check if the question you're going to ask, I want to use this to handle all. If you are giving such question, either minus or plus is here, just know that it's only plus or minus, addition or subtraction of fraction that you're going to apply that. That is where we look for LCM. So how do you look for LCM? The simplest way, don't bother yourself. Don't bother your brain. Ask yourself, these two, are they the same? If you discover that the one I give it to you, that these 2 are the same, please put the same thing here. But in case you check they are not the same, the second question will not come in. The second question is this: can the smaller one of this number divide the bigger one? So when you look at your question, this smaller one, can it divide this big one? No. These are 2 major questions that come and pass. Number one, are they the same? No. These 2 servants. Number 2, can the smaller one divide the bigger one? Assuming the smaller one can divide the bigger one, assuming here is 6, you just quickly pick that one. But in this case, this smaller one cannot divide this without remainder. For that purpose, the only thing you will do is to multiply the 2. Just multiply these 2 to get your LCM. Not to bother yourself. So 4 times 3 will give you 12. This is the reason why when we started that I'll be giving some timetable. I want you to know, because a lot of things are going to come up. I have to believe that by now you must have known what to do. Must have known what to do. So now we have gotten 12. And once you have gotten 12, know that if this one divides, it will give you this. And if this one divides, it will give you this. Anytime you multiply. Take note. Anytime you multiply this to get your answer. This one is dividing. The answer will be here. The other will be telling you, look at me, look at me, look at me. If this one is going to divide, this one will tell you, this is the answer, this is the answer. Are you following? I don't want to pass it because I have a way of passing it just now. I will get to where I'm going to. But because I'm picking you up from somewhere, I wouldn't want to confuse you. Let's follow it. So, you see, the masters were able to produce this and give them what? 12, and pack the 12 to the new building. Listen now. Now, they ask this one, this next person, the first person, please go and share. So this person comes to share what I put in that